Oh, yeah. As you can tell, I'm in somewhere weird. Now, I managed to get into the Stepford East management offices. Don't ask me how. Let's say trial and error. Now, the supervisor offices are there. They were easier to get into than these, but I still did it. So we're going to have a little look around. We're going to try and have a look in pretty much. This is quite a nice office, though. Quite a lot of people. The chairs are nice. Now, I've noticed about this look. Signaler colour's green. They've got a green chair. So the Signaler managers, Games Otto, Billy the Pet, and the Star Gatekeeper. Then here you've got the Community Director and the Operations Director. They are blue, so the chair. Oh cool, we've got the mayor Braden structure in the mayor Braden in there. That's quite cool. If I'm talking too quiet, I'm talking louder now. So, Bantech, Innovations Director, blue chair. Community Managers, blue chair. Guard Managers, yellow. Dispatch Platform, which is pretty much dispatch. Get a nice view into here, which is quite nice. What I like about this is that because maybe this could be more like this. It says blue. It's a blue one. So it might be maybe it's operations managers, run. Okay, that's blue, because that's blue. Then red for the driver managers. Cool. Now I'm going to go and sit in Bantech's office, Bantech's probably the most important person in the game. Or one of them at least. I don't know why the creator Stepford County Railways office isn't here, but there we go. Anyway, let's keep looking, shall we? Community managers, of course. I like this office, it's so nice. But then when we go downstairs to the practice room, which is in there, I'm going to try and complete the entire place. Now, we're going to do the easier task of getting into there. Well, I'll do that in a different video actually, yeah. I'm going to end this video here. Then the next video will be coming very soon after this one. I will just be I'll just be patrolling in there. It'll be a very short one, that's quite a small place. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And I picked a name out of a hat of SCI YouTubers. And the one is Squad Fan 9000. So in the description I'm going to put Squad Fan 9000. And make sure to subscribe to him, because he's actually really good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Thanks. Bye.